UPSC, WBCS, CHSL, MTS, all comparative exam prepare. UN, United Nations, East 1945, दफ्तर न्यूयॉर्क, मार्किन যুক্তরাষ্ট্র, USA, ILO, International Labour Organization, East 1919, AD, सदर दफ्तर जेनेवा, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, AD 1945, Rome, IBRD, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development, 1944 and 1945, Washington, IMF, International Monetary Fund, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, 1945, Paris, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, 1946, New York, USA. WHO, World Health Organization, East 1948, Geneva, Switzerland. WMO, World Meteorological Organization, 1950, Geneva, Switzerland. IFC, International Finance Corporation, 1956, AD, Washington, DC, যুক্তরাষ্ট্র. IDA, International Development Association, 1960, AD, Washington, DC, যুক্তরাষ্ট্র. UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, 1964, Geneva, Switzerland. WTO, World Trade Organization, 1995, Geneva, Switzerland. IAFA, International Atomic Energy Agency, 1957, Vienna, Austria. Commonwealth, the British Commonwealth of Games, 1931, London, United Kingdom. CIS, Commonwealth of Independent States, 1991, Washington, USA. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, 1967, Jakarta, Indonesia. ADB, Asian Development Bank, 1966, Metro Manila, Philippines. OAPEC, Organization of Arab Petroleum Export Countries, 1968, Kuwait. Interpol, International Criminal Policy Organization, 1923, Leo, France. Secure and Guide, 1907, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, 1949, Brussels, Belgium. NAM, Non-Aligned Movement, 1961. EU, European Union, 1992, Brussels, Belgium. GATT, General Agreement on Traffic and Trade, 1947, Geneva, Switzerland. UNICR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, 1950, Geneva, Switzerland. The International Court of Justice, 1945, The Hague, Netherlands. UNDP, United Nations Development Programme, 1965, New York, USA. EEC, the European Economic Community, 1957, Brussels, Belgium.